The Freedom to Read Act has been introduced in Rhode Island.
And tomorrow, state senators will hold a hearing to learn more about the proposed legislation against book bans. NBC 10's education reporter Abby Baracavoli spoke to an author and a librarian vying for the bill to become law.
The freedom to read.
That freedom is now under threat.
Padma Venkatraman is a Rhode Island author with Authors Against Book Bans.
Our freedom of expression is now being taken away by people who object to our writing books that are excellent for all young people.
3 books Venkatraman wrote made a list. Books by Rhode Island creators that have been challenged, banned, or soft-censored in the last 5 years. Her book, Safe Harbor, she says, was purposely limited for its focus on immigration at a school in Washington state.
I am an immigrant who became a citizen of this country. To me, it is hurtful, personally, to say stories of immigrants cannot be part of our country's grander story.
According to the American Library Association, 71% of voters oppose book bans. Cheryl Space is with the Rhode Island Library Association. She says this bill has more comprehensive legal protections for schools and librarians and has more support than past versions, which did not make it through the General Assembly.
I know librarians are afraid because they don't want to have to stand up and be challenged.
Space says this bill creates a clear process where someone objecting to a book must read the entire thing and then explain their concerns to the school librarian while the book stays on shelves.
I want to be really clear that the legislation we're introducing does not take away a parent's rights at all.
I am a mother, and there is nothing in the world more important to me than protecting my child.
But
I have absolutely no right to take books that another child might need, that another parent might want, off the shelves of any school or any library or any place other than my own home bookshelf.
The Rhode Island Senate Committee on Education is holding a hearing for the Freedom to Read Act tomorrow at 4 p.m. We've reached out to opponents and expect to be able to share their views this week. Abby Baracavoli, NBC 10 News.